Hello and welcome to this video where we'll be taking a look at some of the best clear cases available for the iPhone XS Max. We do also have subtitles available for this video for the region seen here. If you'd like to enable this feature, just simply select your region from the settings below. Starting off with the Casemate Clear Case. With an ultra slim profile, this maintains the stunning design of the phone while providing fantastic protection from drops, bumps and knocks. Designed with a raised lip, you can place your phone down without blemishing the screen with unwanted scratches, which is definitely a bonus in my opinion. I really like the added sense of grip that comes with this case. It feels great in the hand and doesn't take anything away from the feel of the phone. As you'd expect, this is compatible with wireless charging, meaning you can charge your phone in the most hassle-free way imaginable. Definitely a great choice for XS Max users. This not only offers solid protection, it also allows the flawless design of the phone to shine through. Up next, we have the clearly protected skin case from OtterBox. As with all OtterBox cases, you get high quality protection for your iPhone, so drops and knocks can't add any imperfections. Once on, it's hardly noticeable, and you can use the XS Max exactly how you would without a case. With a scratch-resistant material and raised edges, scrapes from keys or just placing your phone down won't affect the pristine design, meaning you can go about your day with peace of mind that your phone is safe. I was quite surprised with how slim this case is. It doesn't add unnecessary bulk and works flawlessly with wireless chargers. Certainly a great option, this would suit anyone wanting premium protection for their XS Max without compromising the look of the phone. Moving on now to the Crystal Fit case by VRS Design. A clear case with a little style, this protects from drops and scratches while letting the sleek nature of the phone shine through. With ridges along the back, you can get an improved grip of the phone which further enhances its safety. The buttons are also incredibly tactile, and with easy access to all of the features you can get the most out of your XS Max. One thing I really like is how you can wirelessly charge with this case. You just simply place your phone down and start charging instantly. This is designed to protect all areas, including the screen, so you can go about your day with the confidence that your phone is protected regardless of where you go. Easily a fantastic choice, the flexible yet durable material protects in all situations while allowing you to show off the flawless design of the phone. Next up we have the Olixar ExoShield Tough Snap-on case. Slightly different to the other cases in our lineup, this features a black protective bumper around the edges while also sporting a clear back to show off the XS Max. With a very slim fit, this doesn't add any extra bulk and fits perfectly in your pocket. I think it's great how the bumper shields the phone's vulnerable edges from drops and scratches while also lifting the screen from flat surfaces when placed down. The slim nature not only makes the case almost invisible, it also allows for wireless charging, meaning you can charge in the most simple way imaginable. I really like how simplistic this case is. It offers protection when you need it the most while also letting you show off the incredible XS Max. Finishing up our lineup, we have the Tough Protective case from Urban Armour Gear. Definitely an interesting find, this offers rugged protection for the XS Max while the elegant design shines through the clear back. Most rugged cases tend to mask the beauty of our phones, however this gives you the best of both worlds. You can go out and about with your phone fully protected while standing out from the crowd with its stunning design. This may be a tougher option, however it doesn't compromise the phone's functionality and even supports wireless charging. Overall, a solid option for the XS Max. This can definitely handle a drop or two while preserving the brand new look of the phone. That's all we have for our look into some of the best clear cases available for the XS Max. Please do let us know what you think in the comments below. For more information or to even purchase any of the cases featured in this video, I'll leave links in the description and comments.